Struggling to pick the right AI sidekick for your content creation? Let's settle the score in this Gling AI vs Descript showdown. First, let's dive into Gling AI. Known for its user-friendly interface and lightning-fast transcription, notice how clean and intuitive the workspace is, making it a breeze to upload your video or audio files. Gling AI often wins on price, particularly for individual users or those needing basic transcription and editing. They offer tiered plans, so you only pay for what you need. Now, let's switch gears to Descript. Descript isn't just a transcription tool. It's a full-fledged audio and video editing powerhouse. Take a look at the powerful multi-track editing capabilities, perfect for complex projects. One of Descript's killer features is Overdub, allowing you to correct spoken errors or even add entirely new lines of dialogue using AI that mimics your voice. A game-changer. Descript's pricing reflects its advanced features. It's a steeper investment, but worthwhile if you require robust editing capabilities and team collaboration features. So, which one wins? Gling AI is your go-to for quick, affordable transcription and simple edits. Descript shines when you need advanced editing, overdub, and collaboration tools. Consider your budget, the complexity of your projects, and your desired level of control. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs. Test out the free trials of both to see which AI companion best fits your content creation workflow. Good luck.